Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's nice to see you all again. Sorry for the delay in making a video. Last summer, we made quite a few videos in taking you through journeys of actual patients, which I have performed surgery on, and taking you through their journey from the beginning to the finish. And a lot of you wrote back to us explaining it was quite helpful for you because not everybody is in the same stage of hair loss. Everybody presents with different stages of severity, and the ages of people are very different as well. So it's always nice to see somebody who's similar to yourself. Of course, we can't correlate your results. They're going to be exactly the same. Everybody's different. But it's nice to get a general idea. So this young man came in to see us approximately 2 years ago. And as you can see, what he found was that he had hair loss around the temples, which is what he called them, from here to here. And he had a small patch of hair here, which he called an island. And then there was missing hair here and general thinning in the background. So he found it quite difficult to attain any particular hairstyle because apart from the tuft of hair here, and then some hair here, it was like two islands that were missing, land mass. It was like island, ocean, island. And the ocean was the bare scalp. So this is him on the day of the surgery. And you can kind of see my markings where I'm planning to make the incisions and restore his hairline. And also the little scribbles are just areas where I want to place density to actually place the multis, which are the larger grafts, and to distribute them in a way which creates bulk so you can't see through it. Now in medical terminology, this man is a Norwood 3A because he does actually have that little bit of hair missing behind his furlock. He may look like a Norwood 2A, but he's actually not. The picture's quite deceiving. So he's a little bit further advanced than a 2A, he's actually a 3A. So the plan with him was to really dense pack the frontotemporal angle, which is this angle which recedes backwards, bring it forward. So his forehead from the side profile looks smaller and is, just more fitting with his face and the ratios of his face. Makes things flow, looks more balanced, and makes him look younger. So that was the plan on the day of the surgery. We're going to fix the frontotemporal angles, dense pack the frontal hairline, and then also provide density behind the back. We were aiming for approximately 2,500 grafts, and obviously this is always an estimate. You can't predict what's going to happen. You may end up with more, less. We may need less, we may need more. It's always a small guesstimate, and surgery is unpredictable. And then we see him back at 6 months. So at 6 months, although the results are great, this is not the finished result. So we don't make any decisions until we have completed the management plan and stuck to our guns. So that's him at 6 months. And I'm just going to show you him at the end mark, which is here. And that's lovely. I'm really, really pleased with this. We've created density in the furlock area. The front looks a lot better. And it's going to show you the end result before and after. Now this is 12 months. As you can see, that island I was referring to, it was a little bit hard to see it in the first photo because we'd actually shaved him down. And so sometimes when we shaved him down before surgery, it looks like, well, where was the hair? Where was there not hair? But here, when the hair's actually long, you can actually see what he was living with every single day and why he couldn't comb his hair the way he wished to. And that's because he had a tuft of hair here, no hair, and there's not much you can really do with that apart from shave it off. So obviously he made the decision after having all the facts and sort of information that he wanted to go ahead with it. And what we've actually done is allowed him to grow his hair and create a nice hairstyle, which I think looks really, really natural. Now, just something about my work. I'm not the surgeon to come to if you all want that fishbowl look, which that hairline that you see with patients who come out from India, Pakistan and Turkey. I mean, there's great surgeons there, but that's not my style. I really pride myself on having work which looks natural, and the results whisper, they don't shout. I always find that if somebody can tell you've had something done, it's, there's really, that's really a unsuccessful surgery in my eyes, because it needs to look very subtle and age appropriate. So we don't want this gentleman to look like he's 17. So in summary, this is a mid-30s gentleman who presented with a Norwood 3A type of hair loss. We stabilized his medical management. We have restored the furlock, the frontotemporal angles, and also strengthened the hairline and given him a new hairline. Now, as long as he continues with the plan, which is very robust, and he follows all the advice, I don't really need to see him again after this. Of course, with aging, there is a chance that you may lose some more hair, and that's just life. However, the whole plan is to ensure that we minimize the probabilities that you will lose drastically more hair from the androgenic alopecia and maintain your hairline. So I do hope this has been very helpful for you. If you have any more cases you want me to highlight, do let me know. Very happy to find an afternoon when I'm free from surgery and make a plan like this. And also, we've had a lot of clients from around the world reach out to us just with general questions about surgery and the nuances of hair restoration procedures. So we want to educate you guys, we want to empower you to have all the information to make the right decisions. So if you do have questions from Europe or Asia or wherever you may be, and you just want to ask about general techniques and etc., or hair loss questions, we're actually happy to collate all of them. And time pending, I'm very happy to sit down and make a video like this to help you guys out. So send us your questions, and thanks for taking the time to watch this. Any further information, you can reach us at www.thesharmaclinic.com, or send us a DM at Instagram, Anil Sharma MD, or you can reach us on our phone number, which is below. Thanks very much. Have a great day.